Okay, watch with me while I'm going to install on myself this lace frontal from Be Charming Hair, 16 inch 13 by 4 lace frontal, deep wave, and 3 packs of deep wave, Brazilian deep wave hair, two 14 inch, and I think I wanted a little long, so I'm going to do the bottom layer with 16 inch Brazilian deep wave. And this is all from Be Charming Hair, my hair collection. And this is the transparent lace frontal that I saw. Alright, this is the deep wave frontal. Transparent lace. How nice and bouncy, nice and soft. Nice and soft. These are the bundles. Oops. This is the 16 inch. Look how thick that is. Deep wave. I'm going to color this a deep midnight blue. Basically blue black. Probably, hopefully, in the light, you'll see hints of navy blue. So we'll see how this goes. First, I'm going to color them, and then we're going to do the install. Alrighty. Okay. When doing a frontal, when coloring it especially, you have to prep is everything. A little time to prep saves you a whole lot of headache later. I learned the hard way. You don't want to stain your lace, so you have to protect it first. And so what I did was I sprayed the got to be glued a couple of layers, dry layer, then spray more, dry, then spray until I feel like, okay, I think it's protected enough. So that's what I did with that. Well, this is what I did. I did the ball cap, and I got the glue on around the edges. I did 3 layers, about to do a 4th one just to make sure, because I plan on keeping this in for at least a month. And I have a net on the back of my head, so when I sew the hair in, and I realized, okay, you need somebody to hold the ends of the frontal down while you sew. So that requires 4 hands, which unfortunately I don't have. So we're going to try something different. I think I may attach it to the glue first, and then sew it down in the back. So we're going to see how this goes. Alright guys, I sewed on the frontal. I got it tied down. I haven't cut it around my ears yet. I think I'm going to save that part for last. So we'll see how this goes. Now I'm going to sew the bundles in the back. Alright. I got 2 bundles in. Here's what we're looking like. Let me see. I don't know. This is my first time trying to film myself. I don't know if you can see back there. I just got the top of my head left to do. Okay. Okay. All 3 bundles are in. The only thing that's left is this little piece here. But pretty much everything else is 3 old bundles. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, Okay, here it is. Finished product.
Don't get much of that in the tropics. Using